Estonia is very different, as Minister Kallas has just showed, but of course we can learn a lot from their experience. We have to look at good examples, good practices, and see where we have to intervene. And some of the dimensions of the Estonian education system that were just presented, I think we can learn from them. For instance,
He enhanced the municipality autonomy. Would that be possible in Portugal?
Not at the same level. We have a very centralized system that we are going to keep in some dimensions, namely concerning the hiring and allocation of teachers. But of course we are going to do it much more efficiently than we have done in the last decade. So we have a lot of room to improve that dimension. So although Portugal has a very centralized system, it does not imply that we cannot have good results.
It's not the obstacle.
We have an history, and what we have to do is to use the best information systems, to use digital and AI to improve this centralized dimension of our education system.